Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some research suggests that curcumin might have potential benefits for eye health, including protecting against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Parsley is a source of various nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as beta-carotene and lutein. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, and beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A. Lutein is a carotenoid that is known to accumulate in the retina and may play a role in protecting the eyes from harmful light. Ingredients: parsley, turmeric, black pepper. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.